So what we did before, we went over to our Fuel Injector Clinic. Here we downloaded our HV tuner software, GM data for our 0.525 cc per minute injector. We went here, we'll go back to our data. We copied over our offset voltage versus kPa. Okay. These we did not need to worry about. Short pulse adder, we copied over our adder here for a pre-01, all this data right here. We copied it over, we pasted it for our minimum short pulse adder, like that. Let's see here. Sorry, wrong one. This right here, short pulse adder, we copied it over, pasted it. Now it's gonna round up or down. You know, I can only get it so close. You know, this is, you know, 0.0608, 0.0304 for 85. You know, I think 0.85 milliseconds, maybe. I'm not sure. Whatever this number is up top. Let's see. Adder to pulses shorter than short pulse limit. Our short pulse limit, we copied over. It was supposed to be 3. It rounded to 2.994 milliseconds, which is alright. Now my adder, we added that in. It's gonna round either way, I believe. You know, our minimum and default pulse width, we did that as well. So we went over, this is a short pulse adder, we got that done. So we pasted everything over our short pulse adder, short pulse limit, and then we're gonna get our minimum injector pulse. It rounded it as well. It will not let me go to 0.450. It only let me go to 0.456, which is fine. And then our default as well as I added it to here. So got everything copied over, as well as our flow rate versus kPa, like this. I'm not sure what the scaling, why the scaling is different. I'm not sure. I think it's the colors. Both tables look the same. If you can comment down below and let me know, because I have no clue. I mean, it says scaling percent 100. Us changes, or you know, us changes that need to be made in other sections of the software for successful tune. I'm not sure. I don't know what the difference is. All I know is this is a plain color and the one I'm using is a different color. I don't know. If you could just comment down, but yeah, we're gonna go ahead and get all this injector data saved into a new file here. Save as, let's just do this, RTT. I guess we can do VE, new injector, if I can spell data. So this will be the start of the new injector data, and we'll go ahead and get the VE all figured out. Just go back and forth between these tables and make sure it's not crazy. So, you know, I went through all these earlier. You know, your offset versus volts. You don't want a 1, you know, sticking all the way down here. You want to make sure this is all looking correctly. If you go here, this is nice slope. So, looks like they did their magic and their nice work, and that's what it looks like. It's all smooth, no bumps or anything. So we'll go back to the table here, and everything looks pretty good. Multi-volts. I don't think we didn't need to mess with this. Just minimum and default pulse width, and then our adder as well. So we go to our adder, short pulse adder. We can also look at this as a graph, and it should be nice and either flat line or curved, which everything looks good. So I think we're done. I think we can go ahead and get these injectors put in the vehicle, the truck, and we'll load this tune into the truck. We'll go ahead and get started tuning. I'll show you how to install your injectors. Alrighty, well we'll get to it. I'll get you a video about installing the new injectors. If you have any questions or comments, please drop down in the comment section and let me know. I'll do my best to get back with you guys, and I thank you guys for watching.